Hey guys, good morning. So today we are so excited because we are going on a full day boat trip. So right now we are on our way to a place called Yantil. From there the boat will be leaving to Klein, Curacao. So Klein means small, so it's the same word as German. And yeah, we're so excited. This island is seems to be very popular here and it's really nice. Alright guys, we are here at Yantil now. It's not really that far from Willemstad. It's about 10 kilometers, and here in this place it's also really nice. It's like a beach club, like Mambo Beach, some sort of. Our ride is finally here on time.
Morning.
We're taking another tablet because I can already feel that it's going to be a bumpy, super bumpy ride. Ich kann nicht schlucken. We departed at 8 a.m. from Yantil. The journey is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. If you're lucky, you can also spot wild dolphins swimming alongside. And make sure to take anti-seasickness tablet to avoid puking because the ride can be very bumpy. For this boat trip, by the way, we paid $120 per person. Inclusions are lunch buffet, unlimited drinks on board, and the use of snorkel mask and pipe. As we approach Klein, Curacao, I can already see that there isn't much around. But I can already spot a dreamy beach with extra white sand and turquoise water. Welcome to Klein, Curacao. Oh my goodness, so blue, so beautiful. It's a bit cloudy when we came here, but now the clouds are clearing and it looks so nice. unbelievably blue. And yeah, we just had our lunch, and now we are going to explore a little bit here. And there's also a lighthouse that we want to check out. And I think we only have like 2 hours left, and then we're gonna go back to Curacao. So coming here, it was a really bumpy ride, but we made it. It's just that it's super windy here, so let's see if we can fly our drone. We're just gonna look for a perfect spot to fly it. So nice. There's a little store and food station right there. I think that's the only one here. And then there's some abandoned small houses. I remember Isla Contoy in Mexico. Like there's nothing much in here, only this crystal clear water beach. So as you can see, the lighthouse is there, and then from here we can already see the shipwreck. So let's try to check that out. Let's see if we can make it there. This is so amazing. We're just, you know, like been seeing this in YouTube videos, and now we are here. It's really surreal. So we are here at the abandoned lighthouse. There's a lot of iguanas, baby iguanas. It's very rustic. The shipwreck. There are actually two. The other one is a small one, just like a little boat. Here at the shipwreck, the waves here on the other side is much stronger. my god, the waves are just so strong here. I cannot get closer because it's dangerous, and there are some debris there. And then there's another one over there. That shipwreck is really looking like so dramatic. It looks like in the old movie. And yeah, let's check the other smaller shipwreck, and it's more like recent. Here's the other one. We will just gonna spend the rest of our time here swimming. Drinking blue Curacao while in Klein, Curacao.